Look, I was gonna make a video. This is something I want to save from the junk pile. This will be the next one coming up. It's 2004 cr85. It is the little wheel. It's not a big wheel motorcycle. No, I got this a long time ago on partial trade. I have the engine in there. I have some parts for it. Man, I think it's worth fixing. It's pretty low hour, like the fork seals aren't leaking. This was actually a nice bike, and I got it a long time ago on partial trade, knowing that the crank was wiped out. So I really don't know how to edit anything yet. But this is it's not that. This is a wiseco crankshaft, and there's a piston. My donut gloves, you can get these like off of Amazon. They're freaking cool and they feel really good. But this is bottom end kit for that bike. This is engine for said motorcycle. I can wrangle up most of the pieces. I know where the stator is and the carb. I'll have to buy some stuff, but at this point, like, I don't really have a lot in this thing, and I want to learn how to do build videos, and I don't know how to edit. I'm actually just pausing the video for this to do the thing, but if anybody knows how to edit anything, would you please just like help a brother out, you know what I'm saying? We'll do this some more.